Join me as I dive into the world of design and try to guess the most popular floor tiles of 2026 before they hit the market. When it comes to designing or renovating a home, the type of floor tiles you choose can make or break the overall look and feel of your space. Floor tiles aren't just about aesthetics, they're also about functionality and durability. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to decide which ones are right for you. One of the biggest challenges homeowners face when choosing floor tiles is finding the perfect balance between durability, aesthetics, and cost. You want tiles that can withstand daily wear and tear, but you also want them to look great and fit within your budget. Some tiles might be super durable but look bland, while others might be stunning but way too pricey. It's all about finding that sweet spot. Another challenge is considering the lifestyle and needs of your household. For example, if you have pets or young kids, you'll want tiles that are easy to clean and resistant to stains. On the other hand, if you're looking to add a touch of luxury to your home, you might prioritize tiles with unique designs or textures. The cost of tiles can also be a major factor. High-end materials like marble or custom designs can be eye-wateringly expensive, while more affordable options like ceramic or vinyl might not offer the same level of style or durability. It's essential to weigh the pros and cons of each option and consider what's most important to you. From classic ceramic and porcelain to trendy terrazzo and luxurious marble, there's a vast array of popular tile options to choose from in 2026. Ceramic and porcelain tiles are always a hit, offering a perfect blend of durability, versatility, and affordability. They're available in countless styles, from sleek and modern to rustic and traditional. Terrazzo tiles, on the other hand, are making a big comeback. This composite material made from marble, quartz, and cement is not only stunning but also incredibly durable. It's perfect for adding a touch of personality to any room. Natural stone tiles like marble, slate, and limestone are also popular, offering timeless elegance and sophistication. For those looking for something a bit more unique, there are also tiles made from glass, metal, and even recycled materials. These tiles can add a touch of whimsy and creativity to your space. When choosing the right tile, it's essential to consider factors like maintenance, traffic, and climate. Some tiles might require regular sealing or special cleaning products, while others are more low maintenance. By thinking about your lifestyle and the specific needs of your space, you can choose tiles that not only look amazing but also stand the test of time. This year, 3 tile trends are gaining serious traction. First, there's the rise of large format tiles, which can create a seamless, floor-to-wall look. These tiles are perfect for modern, minimalist spaces and can make rooms feel more spacious. Another trend is the use of bold, statement-making patterns. From geometric shapes to colorful designs, these tiles can add a touch of personality to any room. They're perfect for creating a focal point or adding visual interest to a space. Lastly, there's a growing interest in sustainable and eco-friendly tiles. As more homeowners prioritize environmental responsibility, tiles made from recycled materials or produced using eco-friendly methods are becoming increasingly popular. In conclusion, choosing the right floor tiles is all about balancing functionality and style. By considering factors like durability, aesthetics, and cost, you can find the perfect tiles for your home. Whether you're a fan of classic ceramic or trendy terrazzo, there's a tile out there to suit your taste and needs. If you've got a favorite tile style or a dream design for your home, leave a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to check out my other videos on home design for more inspiration and ideas.